Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of July. If you want to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, you guys, so let's open it up and see what I got. Okay, so here is the bag. Super cute, very tropical. It's got like some palm trees on it, some really light pink detailing on the zipper and the Ipsy zipper attachment right here. Super cute. Open inside and there's the goodies. And I like to read what's in the card that they give us, and it says July 2019, dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. And the hashtag for July is Ipsy Dive In. The first thing that I see, it's in this little bitty bubble bag. I'm not sure what that says. La Beauty Fatale. That's cute. Brow Fix Tint and Shaper. And the color is a dark brunette. Number 5. It's a liquid lipstick. Babe Alert. So it comes in this. That's really pretty. And I love the applicator. It's drying matte, which is what I like. I don't like a really shiny lippy. Nude Glow. It's a mega illuminating moisturizer, hydrating, luminant. It smells so good. Wow, a little goes a long way. I think I put too much, but oh wow, that gives you that really, look at that glow. I love that. And then if you mix that with your foundation, you can either put it on before or after, and it smells so good. It gives you that glow on your skin. Let's see what's in here. It's cracked. I knew it was going to be cracked because I saw some makeup. Look how pretty that color is. That's really pretty. And then this is from the brand Red Earth. And here it is. I love a good oil. And it says Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum, Red Earth. It smells so good too. It's good for hydration. The Always On liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. Each Smashbox Cosmetics product is created, tested, and photographed in their LA studio like this longwear matte liquid lip color. It has a built-in primer oil to keep your lips hydrated, conditioned, and soft. And the nude rose shade looks awesome on all skin tones. Yes, I'm definitely going to try this because I like the matte color. The next thing is the Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisture and Nude Glow infused with iridescent illuminating pearl particles. This highlighting moisturizer blurs your skin, reflects light, and gets you glowing in no time flat. Plus a blend of vitamins, botanicals, and hyaluronic acid boost hydration, softens and smooths skin. I'm so excited to use this. The Red Earth. The Red Earth Brightening Concentrate Oil Kakaru Plum. This Aussie brand infused a blend of powerful native ingredients into their properties, skin brightening and soothes elixirs. This highly concentrated oil is packed with vitamin C, rich cacao plum and macadamia oil and coconut oil to leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. I'm definitely going to be doing this, using this one this summer for sure. And this one is the Brow Fix Tint and Shaper in Dark Brunette. This brand takes inspo from the inner strength and beauty of every woman. Shape, fill, and define your brows with their tinted gel formula. The brush tip is made with microfibers that build up your brows, making them look fuller. Plus, the water-resistant formula won't budge. Okay, I'm definitely going to be trying this. I do go swimming almost every day, so I'll try it and then see how it actually holds up with the water. Phase Zero Makeup, Blusher, and Making Moves. Want no fuss makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products like smooth buildable blush. Making Moves is a coral color with a golden sheen. From stubby or sheer to dramatic, layer it on for a look as bold as your mood. So yes, I'm definitely going to try this. I will be doing a try on. I'll probably do a video after this of trying on the actual products that I received for the month of July. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and share with you guys what I got for my July Ipsy bag. If you would like to try it, I will go ahead and put the link in the description box below. I think it's like $10 a month. I'm not sure. I know it's something small like that, and you get 5 beauty products. Sometimes they're full size, sometimes they're just little trials that you can travel with. I hope everyone is having a great week so far, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know if you have any requested videos as well. I will try and get them up for you. And like I said, I will be doing a try on with all the products that I received, for the month of July Ipsy bag. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.